twisting the chain might appear a little wonky. Sometimes it'll appear like this after they chained. You see right here where it seems to twist, see the top front, but the side you can see the bumps. That happens when you chain. There's a solution. The chain gets so long and then you have to yarn over. Start with your eye, go very slow. Gently turn your left hand to make sure, like this. Oop, see how it twists? With your eye, keep your eye down. Oop, it twists again. Oop, keep it down. Twist it a little bit. You see my right hand? It's not moving at all. I started here with my left hand only, 180 degrees. You can now see the back that has bump. And to maneuver this, turn it there. I'm now at the halfway of the work, upside down. Remember, I did not twist my right side, only my left. Inside here, and now both sides. Let me see, here's the tail, and I'm going to take yarn and pull it, so make sure my both sides. On the right hand side, this is the top, the V's, and on the left loop are the bumps on the back of the V's. Now that I have two on my hook, yarn over, pull through the two loops, chain one, and there is my Mobius chain. Here's my tail. I'm moving it away. Now how to single crochet in a twisted chain. The Mobius begins from the half twist. See the V's, the top part of the chain, and here the back, the bumps. Chain one, single crochet. There's three elements in this chain. The top horizontal, middle horizontal, or the bump, and then the bottom horizontal. It's very important you crochet in the top. Pull through both loops, and then you'll repeat. And then all you're going to do is move in a circular flow or a spiral. Single crochet one, yarn over. Remember, it's extremely important to do it this way. See where the bump, and you're going to repeat this. See, that's the beauty of the Mobius twist. And your tail will also be your guide. Do it one more time, and then I'll meet you toward the middle. See how it looks so far? My tail, it's starting to twist. Now, as you move along into the circle, keep twisting. Twist when you move along. Keep your left hand and have it guide your right, and just twist toward you. See how it naturally twisted? The tail faces towards me. The direction of the tail cannot be the same direction as the middle of the row. Here is the middle of the tail. Remember, I am twisting it, pushing it towards me with my left hand. Here is the middle of the chain. Now, I like to get every single chain, and here's this little bitty chain. I'm going to get that one too. And here's the chain where it all began. I'm going to single crochet one in that one too. There's my chain. Now this one, I'm going to skip this one. The one where the tail pulls, I'm going to move along to the next one. The bottom now becomes the top. That's why I said crochet at the top. I chained 53 chains. With this one twist, I am now doubling the size. That's 106 stitches. The middle of the chain I left alone. The bump, it's seamless. And when you're working, the tail will be in the middle. And your guide. Here's the tail. So that's where my half row began. Whatever you do on the top, it's also going to happen on the bottom by the time you complete the round. As you move along with your left hand, guide and move towards you. Move in a spiral motion. There's no need to chain one for the next round. You just work in a spiral. I'm now close to the end of the row, and my tail is on the back side, and I'm going to finish it. Sometimes it's hard to put the crochet hook in the first single crochet. In the back loop, I like to single crochet one. It's easier to work in the next single crochet. There's the twist right here. There you have it. Thank you for watching.